Hello again, friends. Thank you for joining me for our next math lesson. Today's math lesson is called Addition Facts to 5. And for today's lesson, I have a fun little game that we're going to play. The cow here and the sheep are each going to hold up a number card. And our job is to work together to figure out if the two numbers that the cow and the sheep are holding up are equal to 5. If they are equal to 5, then I'm going to drag the cards underneath 5 to show that those two numbers, when added together, make 5. If the two numbers added together do not equal 5, then they go in the trash. So as I do each set of number cards, I'm going to allow for a little bit of wait time so you at home can figure out if you think they make 5 or if they are trash. So let's do the first one. The cow is holding up the number 1. The sheep is holding up the number 4. Do 1 and 4 make 5? Okay, so in order for me to figure this out, I remembered our strategy from yesterday, and that was to start with the bigger number, which in this case is 4, and count on. So I'm going to say 4, 5. Oh, I stopped at 5, so 4 plus 1 equals 5. If you said yes, you are correct. I'm going to drag them under here to show that that match makes 5. Let's check our next one. The cow says 3 and the sheep says 0. Do 3 and 0 make 5? Okay, let's start. So if I have 3 and I need to count on 0 more, I still have 3. So no, these numbers do not work together to make 5. So let me throw them in the trash. All right, our next set of numbers, the cow says 4, the sheep says 2. Now that my numbers are getting a little bit larger, I'm going to take my draw tool and I'm just going to show a picture representation of 1, 2, 3, 4 for the cow, and 1, 2 for the sheep. So I know I have 4 here. So I'm going to say 4 and then count on. 5, 6. So when I added 4 and 2 together, that made 6. So I'm going to have to say, no, they do not make 5, and drag them to the trash. Let me erase my beautiful work here. And let's select our next two cards. 2 and 3. Do 2 and 3 make 5? So now let's find out. I'm going to start with my larger number 3 and say it out loud and then count on 2 more. Here we go. 3, 4, 5. I ended up on 5. So yes, they make 5. 2 and 3 make 5. Awesome. Our next numbers are 0 and 5. Do 0 and 5 make 5? All right, so if I have 0 and then 5 more, let's see, start at 5, 5. I don't have to say anything else because that's 0, it's nothing. So 5 plus nothing else still equals 5. So yes, if you said yes, you're correct. 0 and 5 make 5. Oh, how about 5 and 1? Do 5 and 1 make 5? Let's find out. I'm going to use that draw strategy again. And I'm going to show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus 1 more. I'm going to say my bigger number first, 5, and count on 5, 6. Ooh, I landed on 6, so no. 5 and 1 do not make 5. So I'm going to take my tool and I'm going to drag them into the trash. All right, I'm going to stop there for today's lesson, and I'm going to have you go into Seesaw and see if you can make up different combinations that are equal to 5. Good luck. Make sure you hit the check mark at the end so that your hard work gets sent to your teacher. Talk to you soon.